What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Okay, so the first step is we're going to need to remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of the remote. We're going to push this button down. It's at the bottom, and we can just pull it right out. Now, if we look at the remote, we're going to need to take this cover off, and to do that, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a really small one, small enough to fit into this little square right here. Now, at the bottom of this square, there's a little piece of plastic that's actually connected to the cover. We're trying to get underneath that. When you get underneath it, with the screwdriver, you're just going to pry it up, and you can see that the case is coming up. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like here. Basically, what we're doing is we're prying on this part right here, prying it up. Take the cover off, and we have our battery right here. The size of the battery is a CR2032, and I'm going to leave a link down below. It takes you to Amazon if you want to buy some new batteries, if you haven't bought any already. So when we take it out, just take a look at the battery real quick. The positive is going to be facing us, and it actually says positive right here. Get a new battery. When you get your new battery, it's real simple to install. If you just install it the way we took it out, positive facing up, slide it in, and then we get the cover, and we just pop it back on here. Okay, it just pops right back on. We just get the emergency key, put it right back in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.